So for the second project, this is what we call SOS. SOS involves programming an Arduino to send an SOS signal using an LED, typically in Morse code. Three short flashes, three long flashes, and three short flashes. This project builds on the skills learned in the Blinking LED project while introducing Morse code and timing. At a deeper level, this project symbolizes communication and connection. The SOS signal, recognized worldwide as a distress call, represents the importance of reaching out for the help and the desire for understanding and support in times of need.
List of materials, Arduino board, any compatible model of Arduino Uno Mini, standard 5mm LED, prefer, pre- resistor 220, breadboard for easy circuit assembly without soldering, jumper wires, mill-to-mill jumper wires for connection, USB cable to connect the Arduino to computer for programming, computer with Arduino IDE installed for coding.
So, good day everyone. Thank you for being here today to watch our presentation. So, first, I would like to introduce my group. I am Junella Borja and I'm also with Briar Jovelin, Manti Dave, and Rebagoda Joshua. And we are the group 2 Technovation. So, without further ado, let's dive head first into our presentation.
For the project SOS, Beacon, ilagay ko yung ground sa plane ng negative lines. And for positive, ilagay ko naman yung resistor 220. And pin 10,
Okay na lang. For the source code, line 1, LED pin 12. This line declares a variable named LED pin and assigns in the value 12, which is the digital pin number where the LED connected. Line 4, pin mode LED output. This line sets the LED as an output, meaning it can be used to control a device like an LED. Line 8 to 13, this is for loop that iterates 3 times. Line 15, this line pauses for 300 milliseconds to create a gap between letters. Lines 16 to 21, this is another for loop that iterates 3 times. In line 23, this line pauses for 300 milliseconds to create a gap between letters. In line 24 to 29, the code repeats the same pattern of 3 short flashes, followed by a long flash and the short flash to represent the letter E. Again, line 28, this line pauses for 1000 milliseconds or 1 second before the entire sequence repeats.
this is the result of SOS Beacon.
Reference Arduino www.arduino.cc. Credits. We use CapCut as a video editing app. For PPT, we use Microsoft PowerPoint. We recognize Miss Jasmine Padilla, not in the group. Codemaker or programmer is Christian De Mate or Joshua Bagoda. Assembly, we choose Jovelyn Breer and Janela Borja. Editor by Christian Dave Mate.